This week, we're tracking yet another data breach on a US-based medical center. This week, Utah Imaging Associates announced a data breach that affects over 500,000 of their patients and their personal data. So early back in August of this year, Utah Imaging Associates network was infiltrated and attackers began exploring what they could steal. A week later, in early September, it was discovered that a security incident was underway and the medical center took steps to remediate the attack. Now, given the scope of the attack, UIA had to bring in a third-party cybersecurity firm to perform a forensic investigation. They found that patient personal data was stolen, and it includes medical information such as treatments, diagnoses, prescriptions, health insurance, policy numbers, mailing addresses, dates of birth, and first and last names. Now, the only silver lining in all this is that UIA has found that none of the stolen data has been leaked online, even after nearly 2 months after the incident. So this likely points to a ransom being paid. Now, this is not an isolated incident, though. If you follow ransomware operations, you may have noticed that these types of organizations are hit frequently. Now, not too long ago, the New York-based Weill Cornell Medicine was breached along with a cybersecurity incident that disrupted operations at Southern Ohio Medical Center. There was also the large-scale cyber attack on healthcare systems in 2 Canadian provinces and also a data breach affecting close to 200,000 patients of the Urology Center of Colorado. With that said, if your company has data or money, then you're likely a target for similar attacks. Most incidents like these start with a phishing email that have a malicious attachment. Once it's interacted with, more malware is dropped on a victim's computer, and then cybercriminals have access to your network. These are the situations that lead to ransomware attacks as well. But luckily, we have a solution for you. That's in the form of Acronis Cyber Protect's advanced email, which filters malicious phishing emails from your inbox to the active protection that recognizes all ransomware. Your data is kept safe and off the black market.